All right, guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across my YouTube video for the very first time, this is Zionhublogistics, where we discuss mini importation, procurement, RMB, exchange, and all that on how to make money online and how to promote your business online. So do well. If you want to gain one or two things from my video by watching this video, please do well to subscribe. It is free, and if you are a return subscriber, thank you guys for staying behind. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about how you can use Go Keyboard to chat on 1688 and to chat with your supplier on 1688. So this is my screen right now. Before now, this is how my keyboards look like. So let me just go to what you want to do is to go to your app store. If you are using an iPhone, it is called App Store. So you go to App Store, and if you are using Android, it is called Play Store, right? So once you go there, you are going to click on search, then you click on Go Keyboard. All right, before now you can see that this is what my screen my keyboard. I want you to take note of this. This is what my keyboard look like. There is no other option than this keyboard, right? So you just press Go Keyboard, then you are going to be seeing it on your screen right now. Before now I used to have this keyboard, right? But it is because of you guys that I deleted it for you to understand. So let me just type this Go Keyboard again. Go Keyboard. I think it is owned by Google, right? So Go Keyboard. So this is Go Keyboard, right? So guys, here is the Go Keyboard. Let me click on it. You are going to be seeing this logo. This is what it looks like. Then what you want to do is to click on download. So once you are done downloading this keyboard, what you want to do is to open it. All right, so this is what you are going to be seeing once you are opening it for the first time, and you click on get started. It's a very simple process. These are the home screen of this app. So the first thing you want to do is to give this access to give this app access to your phone. So that is the first option we are going to be doing, enabling full access. So you come here, then you click on get started. So it takes you to the default of your phone where you are seeing keyboard, the last option here. You click on this, then you are going to toggle this on. This allow full access, you toggle it on. So you are going to be clicking on allow. So with this, you have given this app a full access to your phone. You can see right here, and if you want to set up your language, keyboard, stickers and all that, you can just play around with this. So that is not where we are going. Okay, so here is the first step. Now we've already give it a full access. So now we come to our 1688. This is my 1688 app, and I've opened the app right here. You can see that this is the home screen of this product. Okay, so let me just click on this ring light here. I want to chat up this supplier to negotiate price with him, or let me just test run what we are doing. I won't be negotiating price this time around. Okay, so this is where to should, in case this should be a bonus for you if you don't know how to chat your supplier. This is where to chat the supplier, where you are seeing star icon, the next icon below it, where you are seeing something like chat icon. You click on it. Okay, so you want to make inquiry about this product. So before now you can see that this is what our screen looks like. Okay, this is the default keyboard you are seeing here, the one we are using before. Instead of chatting this supplier, nearly all of or some of these suppliers don't understand English, and if you have to say hello, hi, how are you doing, stuff like that, they will not understand unless they use their Google Translator as well. But for easy access, you can just do a copy and paste work here, just in here, without minimizing this app. What you want to do is to click on this, what you are seeing as web, like bo, with this 234. You click on it to change that keyboard. You can see that it has automatically changed. You can see right here. So you click on got it. Okay, so you can see that the button have some other options where you are seeing G as Google, the other one G as translate. So this is where we are going to be using our Go keyboard to translate. So you click on it, you click on this G at the middle here. I click on it. You can see that using Google Translate, the text that you typed into the translate bot will be sent to Google for translation. Do you get it? So you click on got it. All right, so this is what it looks like. All right, remember we are using Google Translator to chat these guys. So here is the default language we want to be typing from. So if you are typing from English, you select English. If you are typing from Arabic, you select your default language here where you want to type from. So I select English, and where you are translating to, of course these people are Chinese people. Okay, so we select Chinese. So here comes Chinese, right? So simplified. Once you are done with this, just click on this type and paste work. You know, by default now it's in English and Chinese. So let me just say hello, how are you, how are you. You can see now I've typed it in English. The one you want to click now is to translate. You can see this translate icon here, so you click on translate. So automatically it has translated it on our chat icon. You can see it right here. Hello, how are you doing? This is it in Chinese. So you cancel this one, you cancel this X, you click on cancel, and you click on this return icon again, this arrow that is you are seeing here. You click on it to cancel. So this is your default. It has come back to your default button. So now you are going to click on send. We have sent. You can see right here that it has sent in Chinese. So this is how to use Go keyboard to chat your supplier, and the same thing applicable if your supplier has already responded. If you wanted to translate what this guy is saying, you can also use this app. Now let me teach you. This guy is not online, but let me go to my previous conversation with some different suppliers so to show you. All right, so let me click on this my previous chat here, then click on this one. So now let's assume I want to translate this guy here. So I'll just long press. You can see long press here. So you can see this first item as click. You are going to be clicking on this first item. I copy it. I've already copied it now. So I click on my button again, click on this Google Translate, then change from detected language to English. Okay, so we change here to English, right? So let's search for English. Okay, so let me just look for English right here. Looking. So guys, this is English, right? So you can see right here that the item has already, this is what I'm seeing right here. You can see under this translate, you just click on it for you to see. So this is the item that this guy has just translated. You can see right here that spring festive holiday notice, dear customer, this thing blah 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 blah. You can see it right here. Okay, so let me do it again for you to understand. You know, before now we have already copied this item. So I click on this Google here. You can see that it's on default. So you just click on this notepad to paste everything. So you can see it's loading and it brings it up directly. You can see the logo of that Google Translator. So you click on it for you to read everything. So that is how to translate from A to Z, guys. If you find this video helpful or you are not still getting it right, just comment under this video where you're having the problem. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.